Every morning, I wake up to Instagram, my YouTube channel, and responding to emails. I recently got my hands on the new Oppo F7 powered by MediaTek Helio P60. This chip has changed everything for me. With so much to do in my life, this phone has the power to move me through every single day. And I'm absolutely in love with its face recognition unlock feature, which unlocks the phone in a blink of an eye. Even my morning no makeup selfie looks beautiful. It's because of the AI powered selfie beautification option. The device has a very low power consumption, so it's important for me to carry a phone which matches my style. And this phone has an incredible design power packed with beauty. Being an influencer, it's imperative for me to be my own photographer. I need to have a phone which gets me beautiful pictures. The power of two APUs in the MediaTek Helio P60 has taken the camera technology to a next level altogether. There's a lot of running around and my getting ready routine sails through in a rush. But I have the AI processor in my pocket which serves all my daily requirements. When I'm out and about, social media comes to my rescue. It's like my digital newspaper. Thank God for the AI-driven power efficiency mode. I like to edit my pictures with its full-fledged editor, which acts like my personal beauty artist, delivering stunning pictures. If you're someone like me who's always on the go, then the Oppo F7 powered by MediaTek Helio P60 is the perfect choice for you. My phone is my lifeline, and that's why getting Oppo F7 for myself is the best choice that I could have made for myself. The high-quality front camera system that has the power of dual AI processor is the gateway to beautiful pictures and selfies like never before. It is great for face detection and smart imaging and videos. All my followers keep asking me about the secret behind such professional photos on my Instagram feed. Well, it's the bokeh and the HDR effect that's incorporated in the MediaTek Helio P60 chip in my Oppo F7.